In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new skills to Clawdbot from GitHub and get them running smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find skills, how to install them, and how to confirm they're working in your chat platform. First, find the skill you want. Most Clawdbot skills live on GitHub or are shared by the project's developers. Search for Clawdbot skills or visit the official repository. Before downloading, skim the README to check compatibility with your Clawdbot version, any prerequisites, and the commands the skill provides. It's a good sign if the repo was updated recently and includes clear instructions. Next, download the skill files. You have two options. If you use Git, open a terminal and clone the repository using its link. This keeps you ready for easy updates later. If you prefer a quick one-off download, click Download Zip on GitHub, then extract the archive to a convenient location on your PC or server. Either way, you should end up with the skills folder ready to copy. Now open your Clawdbot directory and locate the folder where skills live. Depending on your setup, it might be named Skills, Modules, or Commands. If you're unsure, check the bot's documentation or look for where other skills are stored. Copy the downloaded skill folder into that skills directory. Keep the folder structure exactly as it came from the repository. Avoid nesting it too deeply by accident. For example, don't end up with skills, skill name, skill name. If you're replacing an older version, it's smart to back up the original first. Some skills include their own dependencies. If you see a package JSON inside the skill folder, open a terminal, change into that folder, and run npm install. This pulls in any required libraries. Make sure Node.js and npm are installed on your machine. If the skill mentions a specific Node version, follow that guidance for best results. Certain skills also require configuration. Open your Clawdbot config.json with a text editor such as Nano, add any settings the skill needs, like permissions, channels, or references to credentials, and save your changes. Keep sensitive values secure, and never hardcode real secrets in shared files. Restart Clawdbot so it can load the new skill. You can run nodeindex.js, or if you manage the bot with PM2, use PM2 restart Clawdbot. After the restart, the skill should be active. Finally, test it where your bot runs, such as Discord or WhatsApp. Use the